Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how can you improve your vocabulary, because we all know that the power of words in any language which we want to speak. So initially we must know about words, like basic words. If we don't know any word, so how can we make or frame any sentence? It is impossible. And the learners keep on asking me that words don't come in my mind while speaking English. So this is the reason. That's why they get stuck, they get nervous, and after that what happens? They stop speaking. So today I am here with a technique that will help you. So whenever you come across a new word, try to create a sentence. कोई भी sentence बनाइए जो आपकी life से relate करता हो. For example, if I say a word timid, it means very shy. So now I am using it by creating a sentence. My friend Neha is really timid. My friend Neha is really timid. So that's how I use this word, and you can also do it. Second step is, whenever you encounter any new word, so try to use it for 7 days. Anyhow, use it 7 days. After 7 days, what will happen? The word will remain in your long-term memory, and you will never going to forget that word. You can write it down anywhere, like in any notebook or in your mobile phone. There are so many applications like Notepad where you can note down any word. And don't forget to using those words, following the use it or lose it principle. Using words is the best way to make sure you don't forget them. So try using new vocabulary as soon as you can when you are speaking. And you can also start reading, because on YouTube or in any offline classes, many teachers keep on telling their students that you should start reading, because this is also the amazing way through which you can learn new words every day. And if you don't like reading books, so you can start listening podcast, audiobooks that will help you. So that's what I wanted to share with you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.